In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Save Passwords pop-up in Firefox in just a few easy steps. If you're tired of Firefox asking you every time you log into a website whether you want to save the password, this quick setting change will turn that prompt off so your browsing feels much cleaner and less distracting. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Firefox tips and computer how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page where you can control privacy options, passwords, autofill behavior, and more. Once the settings page is open, look at the left-hand side menu and click Passwords and Autofill. This section controls how Firefox handles saved logins and form information. Now find the option that says Ask to Save Passwords. By default, this is usually turned on, which is why the pop-up appears when you enter login details on a website. To disable the pop-up, simply untick that box. As soon as you do that, Firefox will stop asking you if you want to save new passwords. That's it. The change is immediate, and you don't need to restart the browser. If you ever want to turn the feature back on later, just come back to the same setting and tick the box again. So in a few clicks, you've successfully disabled the Save Passwords pop-up in Firefox and made your browsing experience a little smoother. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Firefox tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.